So if you try to paint terrain with texture in Unity and you're getting this error, which is Graphics.CopyTexture source and destinations have different mipmap limits, source 1, destination 0, and the other way around. I've spent like hours trying to solve this problem and barely got advice how to do that correctly. So all you have to do is go to File, Build Settings, Player Settings, go to Quality, and here I have texture global mipmap limit half resolution. As soon as I put it to full resolution, the problem disappears and I am able to draw with this texture, with any texture on the train, because it was a huge problem. I couldn't edit any terrains. I switched platforms from mobile to PC and other, and on none of them I could paint on any terrain. So I was kind of desperate. I was thinking about creating different project and stuff. So now you know how to do that.